So today I'm going to be doing a video that I've been wanting to do for a while now, and you can tell by the title I'm going to be making sushi. So I'm really excited. I am filming this on my vlog camera just because it's so much easier to film on my vlog camera. If you want to subscribe to my channel to see more, please do click that subscribe button, and while you're at it, click the bell button so you won't miss a single video. And with all of that said, let's just hop on right into the video. I upload every Wednesday and every Sunday, just so you know. So I'll show you all of the supplies that I got. By the way, this is my first time trying out sushi. What? This is my first time trying out homemade sushi. Like, I've never tried to make sushi myself, but I went on the internet, I found what I needed, and I purchased it just a few hours ago. So I'm gonna show you what I got. Come along. Oh, by the way, I'm just wearing this t-shirt and my hair is all ratty and I'm not wearing any makeup, so that's why I look like this. I don't always look like this, but... We have a cucumber for filling because mine will be vegetarian sushi rolls. I've got an avocado. I've got sushi rice because I've heard that you need sushi rice. I've got this seaweed, which is the thing that we roll it in. I've got rice vinegar. All of these things were quite expensive, but I thought that now when I've bought it, I've always got it, so I won't need to go out and buy more. I also bought these the other day when I was at the dollar store because they were so cheap, and it's just a sushi mat, so I'm guessing I'll use that to roll the sushi. So what I'm going to do is look on the internet to find a recipe, and I'm just going to follow it. So come with me along on this journey to make sushi. Let's see if it's as good as what you can get in the shops.
Honey, 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 honey.
So I don't know how many portions I want to make. Maybe I'll make like 2 portions so I can save it for another day. So first I need to rinse the rice in cold water until the water is clear, and then let the water run off. So it says I need 125 milliliters. I'm gonna convert milliliters to deciliters. Okay, that's about 1.2 deciliters. So I found this, which is what I'm going to use because it's got quite small holes in it. So got my sushi rice. I'm going to pour it in my deciliter. 1 deciliter. Oh, you can't see what I'm doing now. That's shit. That is absolute shit. John has to remove his horrid meat from the scene. I do not condone that. Get it away from her. Bye. Bye, Felicia. So here we have 1 deciliter, and I'm going to do half a half. There. So now I'm just going to rinse this in cold water till the water that runs off it is clear. How am I supposed to know that? So I got a glass bowl to see when the water gets clear, and as you can see, it's definitely not clear. Okay, here's clear water, so you can definitely see a difference. This can take some time. So I've been rinsing it for ages and I can't seem to get the water clearer than this, so I'm just going to let it sit for a while there. So the next step is to cook your rice for about 4 minutes. While I'm heating up the water, I'm going to start cutting my vegetables. So I'm actually going to put the rice in it already. So once it started boiling, I'm going to lower the heat and let it like simmer for about 4 to 5 minutes. So I don't know if you need to stir it or not. I'm just doing that for safety. So I'm gonna cut my vegetables. I don't know how thick they can be. Now I'm gonna slice my avocado, the best part. And I'm not gonna do carrots because the carrots we have are actually bad. This avocado looks perfect. So I've got the rice on number 4, so it's just like a little bit hot. I might actually higher it to number 5. So you were supposed to, after 4 to 5 minutes, without the lid, you were supposed to put the lid on and then cook it for another 4 to 5 minutes on low heat. So I think I'll stay with 4. I hope I'm doing this right now. I'm sat here over on the table now waiting for my rice to be ready, because once it's been under the lid for another 4 to 5 minutes, you're supposed to take it off and leave it under the lid for 10 minutes. So I've got my seaweed here, and I'm gonna put one of them on my sushi mat that I got the other day. So it looks like this. Perfect. Yes. I really don't want to fuck this up, because okay. I really don't want to fuck this up. But the first thing I did was rip the I hate myself. The first thing I managed to do was rip this. I don't know if you can save this or if you have to like use it up in one go, but I've got a few sheets here. Okay, look, I managed to like break it a bit, but hopefully it's alright anyway. Okay, you can like hardly see this, but I guess I'll put it like there. So the rice is like expanded a lot. So it's been 5 minutes, so I'm gonna take this off. I actually didn't hear when the alarm went off, so I'm gonna take it off now and leave it under here for 10 minutes. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and mix the vinegar, sugar and salt. So for vinegar we need 20 milliliters, which is 4 teaspoons. So I'm gonna do 4 teaspoons of rice vinegar. I have no idea what this is. Like, oh my freaking god, it stinks. Okay, that is quite a lot if you like think about how stinky this stuff is. And now we need 2 tablespoons of sugar. 1, 2. And now I'm just gonna add half a teaspoon of salt. So the rice is now done, so I'm just gonna pour the water off. Wow, it made quite a lot of rice. I'm sorry about the background, there's loads of dishes. Okay, so I'm just gonna pour the rice in here so we can start mixing the vinegar and the salt and everything. And it said to use a wooden spoon. I'm not sure why you need a wooden spoon, but I got one in my sushi kit. I don't know if you say sushi or sushi. Sushi, sushi.
Sushi. Oh, ratatouille.
Oh, do you want to see Ratatouille?
I'll see.
I want to see Love Island. Me and John watched Love Island last year. It was so fun, but now we can't find anywhere. So I'm going to pour the vinegar in right now. And then it said to just mix it together until the rice is cold. It's really wet, the rice, but it's nice and sticky at least. So I'm just going to mix this until it's cold, and I'll see you in probably about 10 minutes. So I've watched a few videos now, and apparently you're supposed to put the shiny side down, so I had done it right, and the ruffly side up because I'm thinking the sushi will stick to it easier. I don't know if that's the reason, I'm just guessing. I'm just man guessing. And then my rice has become like porridge. It's so sticky. And it's not cooling down quickly at all. I've been like fanning it and mixing it, and yeah, it's not cool. So I don't know if I can like start doing the rolls anyway. It's supposed to be like room temperature. It's just like a bit above room temperature now, and it's so sticky. I think I should probably start making it, so I'm gonna try and start making it because I'm impatient. I'm gonna take a little bit of my rice, and I don't know if this is too much or not, but I'm just gonna put it on. Spread it on. I don't think you need a lot. Oh wow. I just know that you're not supposed to go out to the edges because it will spread out anyway. But it is so sticky. I really don't want to break the seaweed anymore. I've already broken it, so I'm trying to be careful here. I feel like this is enough. But now apparently you're supposed to place your greens towards the edge of your sushi. That's what I'm trying to do. Oh my god, there's a little fly here. I do not know how much I'm supposed to use, like at all. I think this will be enough. I don't know. Do you guys think that's enough? I really don't know, but that will have to do. Okay, so now comes the tricky part. Fuck, I'm gonna roll it. Wow, this is like mushing it all up. Oh, it's coming out of the hole that was broken. No! Oh no! And then just squeeze it, and I think, okay, it's got a little bit out. So some people use like cling film to not get these mats dirty. I probably should have done that, but now I'm gonna cut it up. So thumbnail. So now I'm gonna cut it up. Okay, so I do not know how thick I want them. We have one. I feel like the rice is a little bit too sticky. There we go. I kind of want to try one now with some soy sauce. So this is how they turned out. I haven't done them all. 7 I've got, and I've got some more rice there. As you can see, they don't look amazing with like the cucumber and stuff, but I think they'll still taste good. And the soy sauce I have is called Thai soy. So I don't think this is going to be as good as the sushi soy, but we didn't have any at the shop that I went to, so I mean they didn't have any. Why is it like broken? I'm going to try it now with some soy sauce. I'm going to try this one. Dipping it properly in there. Okay. Mmm. It's actually really good, but the rice is a bit too like runny. I don't know, maybe I should have let the water rinse off, like maybe I should have let the water go off it a bit longer after it had been cooking, but otherwise I think it turned out really good, so I'm pleased. I'm just gonna finish this one off. Who am I kidding? I was actually so disappointed. The rice didn't taste good. I ate it all, but I still wish I had normal sushi, so I was lying. So now I'm making my second and final roly, and this is supposed to be 2 portions. I'm filling this one a bit more than my last one, just because I do have quite a lot of avocado left. There we go. Okay, there's way too much rice in this one. As you can see, it's spilling out there. There we go. This one turned out a lot more full than the other one. I think the rice is way too mushy for my liking. Okay, but this is how many it made. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna go and enjoy my sushi now. I don't know how to make the rice not as runny. It tastes good, and I'm happy I did it. So I'll give it like a 3 out of 5. 3/4 out of 5. Yeah, thank you for watching. I love you all so much. I hope this video gave you some maybe inspiration or some help. Bye bye, I'll see you in my next video. Honey, honey. So today I only, oh, who am I? I mean today, what? I've never done sushi before. Ah, my hair.